Hello, in this video I'm going to answer the question whether the GoPro Hero 13 has the night vision mode available. So to keep it as short as possible, there is no night vision available for the video mode. If you want to record at night, you want to go to the Pro settings, you want to enable Pro settings or Pro controls, and then going through these controls you want to adjust pretty much everything. Most likely the Pro Tune over here, where you need to adjust the ISO, the white balance, and so on and so forth, in order to get the best quality possible at night. In order to enable those Pro options, you need to swipe from the top towards the middle, like so, in order to open this panel. Then swipe to the right, and over here you have controls, and you want to make sure that you have Pro selected. By default, it is set to easy, so you want to swipe up in order to choose Pro. Now, in addition to that, we also have the photo mode, of course, and over here, if you tap on this photo here, in order to open the presets, you will find the night photo preset over here, so you can use this one in order to capture a photo with the night photo mode. And if you go to the time-lapse mode, then you have a bit more options. So once again, let's go to the presets. And this time we have star trails, we have vehicle lights, which is used, for instance, if you are, let's say, creating a time-lapse video while driving. So this creates a pretty cool effect. And we also have the night lapse video. But besides that, of course, if you want to record a normal video, then like I said, you need to go to the settings. You can try to use some of the presets from the night lapse over here. So you have the Pro Tune here, and you can see that, for instance, the ISO max is set to 800, and the minimal value is set to 100, the noise is high. So you can suggest you want to probably use these settings as a base value for those settings in the video mode if you don't know how to set it up properly. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!